Best match, as always, in the diamond tier right now. Best of 7. Aiphaton to serve. Oh la la. That's a statement. Good forehand from Jonurkel that we've seen before, but Aiphaton is just showing. Oh, gonna be as easy against me. I can't bring it back. And he even goes for the counter. Hey, this match is gonna be really good. What a rally, what a rally. It's the 4th point and we have the rally of the tournament already. Holy moly. What the heck is going on? So many counter loops in one rally, both players playing really well. And again, a huge counter loop from Jonurkel. That forehand is just a massive weapon. Just, wow. Yeah, this will be the best match ever. If they continue playing like this will definitely be the best match ever. Which they are doing. Aiphaton had a rather easy ball, but puts the forehand long. And it's Jonurkel with a 2 points lead. And again, that block going perfectly on the corner of the table. That was a nice fish attempt from Jonurkel, but Aiphaton is too old for these streaks. What? Brought that back but lost the tracking, but aye. A really good touch. That was a perfect loop from Aiphaton, then a perfect touch from Jonurkel. And he lost the tracking in the end, but... Oh la 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 la, I'm already exhausted and it's only 7-0 in the first game. What is this match? Huge forehand again from Jonurkel. And we can see Aiphaton with problems to keep the ball on the table, and now Jonurkel with 3 game points in that first game. I think that was a good change of pace by Aiphaton. Broke the rhythm for Jonurkel, but second game point and Jonurkel takes it. But holy moly, this is for real. If they can keep the level at least around the same level, wow, just wow, what a huge forehand from Jonurkel. Even Aiphaton didn't have the time to put his hand in the right spot. That says a lot about the quality of the shot. We want Jonurkel to serve. So many good rallies.
Let's serve.
1-7-3. At this right now is a little bit slower period compared to what we've seen in the first game, but really understandable. Just wow, the consistency from both of them. As soon as I said it's a bit of a slower period, they come back with this. Jonurkel still fighting. 2 points behind. Aiphaton needs only 2 points to win this game. Jonurkel was expecting the ball to come somewhere else. Already preparing his shot in the other part of the table. Had to move, was a bit late. Now Aiphaton levels the score. 1-0, we have a decider in the first game. In the first match, sorry. This is just crazy. I feel sorry for Seldon and ProTT. Just to play after this kind of a match. You can see Aiphaton staying a bit closer to the table now. A bit more on top of the ball, putting more pressure on Jonurkel. Unfortunately, as we all know, it's pretty impossible to play a super offensive playstyle in 11 and consistently execute the shots. Like, there's always something stopping you from consistently playing really good game. You're attacking, and this is happening to Jonurkel right now. Again, Aiphaton staying on top of the ball. Not giving Jonurkel the time that he wants. Point saved. 3 more remaining for Aiphaton. Second one saved. 2 more remaining. Ooh, la 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 la. That was lucky from Jonurkel. But it's only 1 match point left for Aiphaton. And he takes it. That's really close. That is a really close match, but I have a feeling Jonurkel has to change something, because it becomes a little bit more predictable for Aiphaton. First game he was a bit surprised, but he knows what he needs to do right now. Yeah, it's not only the change of rhythm from Aifa, but also Aifa just staying a bit more on top of the ball. So if Jonurkel wants to avoid giving Aiphaton the upper hand, he has to play a bit more aggressive, that open up. He will play a bit softer than Aiphaton, staying on top of the ball. He can direct it pretty much anywhere. Or Jonurkel has to risk a bit more with the placement, but so far in terms of placement he was playing pretty safe. Second match, Aiphaton to serve again. Yeah, but we can see Aiphaton just giving Jonurkel the possibility to open up. So doesn't feel enough pressure from Jonurkel's attack. Ooh la la, but that forehand, amazing placement. He plays like that, then Aiphaton has to step up again. Which he does immediately. Oh la 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 la, amazing forehand from Jonurkel. Aiphaton definitely is standing a bit further from the table when he's serving, but it's because he doesn't really care. He lets you open up. He's taking everything on his chest. Ooh la la, but what a comeback from Jonurkel. This is just amazing. We have a deuce. And Aiphaton whiffs on the backhand, and now it's Jonurkel with the game point. Oh la la, the curve on that forehand from Aiphaton was just insane. Pretty hard, and Jonurkel misses the ball. Great defending from Aiphaton, and he has another game point. Goes for the backhand to backhand rally. It's Aiphaton. Comes out on top. Takes that opening game of the second match. Wow! What is this? Holy moly! That was just insane. That was just insane. The curve, the placement, power, everything. Holy fuck! And now the backhand. Ay 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 ay. Aiphaton is. Aiphaton is on another level. Aiphaton is on another level. This is just insane. 8-0 in a game against Jonurkel playing like that. Who is this guy? He's not a human, that's not possible. If this counter would land on the table, I would just drop my mic and leave. What is this? He has such a freedom while playing. At least somehow we can see mistakes like this. He goes for a backhand on the forehand side. He tries to step around to show us that he's still a human. Thankfully. Great recovery from Jonurkel. Amazing to see him running like this. Not giving up. Ooh, Aiphaton catches the edge and now he has 4 match points in that second match. We could see if this ball goes on the table, he wins the whole match. I mean the second match. Jonurkel was already waiting in the backhand, but the second match point, no. Second match goes Aiphaton's way. I'm overwhelmed with the quality of some of Aiphaton's shots. This is just the highest level possible in 11 right now. You can't play better than this. Can't play better than this. He's faking it. Yeah, I'm sorry guys, but I'm just speechless. In some moments, like, this is so good because Jonurkel, I know that I'm talking about Aiphaton for like a couple of minutes right now, but it's only because Jonurkel is playing so well, but Aiphaton not only having the answers, sometimes he makes it look so easy, as if he was playing someone below his level, like drastically below his level. And that's not the case here. It's just that good. Yeah, if Jonurkel wants to have a chance right now, that open up needs to be much more aggressive. Playing higher arc loop will not work. Aiphaton is used to this now. And he's waiting, he's staying closer to the table, he's on top of that ball. And he's definitely capable to do almost anything he wants. He needs that second and third forehand loop to be his first forehand loop. He has to open up like that. He needs to put pressure immediately. Otherwise, we can see what's happening. Like, This is just insane. This is insane. It's world rank number 4 now, and he's playing incredibly well. I was so amazed with what Jonurkel can do right now, but Aiphaton makes him look worse than he actually is. This is insane. This is insane. Yeah, he's way too much back, and he's also his open ups tactically are wrong. He's not playing the way he should. Should play much more aggressively. That open up. Like afterwards, doesn't matter that much, but the way he's playing his open ups right now, he's putting himself at a disadvantage immediately, so he just needs to risk more on the fired ball attack. Ooh la 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 la, that forehand was massive. Luckily for Jonurkel it didn't land. And Aiphaton's trying to stay on top of the ball. But it's Jonurkel with the lead. 5-2. 6-2, and now he has 2 serves. Looking really good for him. Okay, a bit of a slower period from Aiphaton. So 6 game points left for Jonurkel. And he takes it. Takes the much needed game here. Now he needs to win the next one. If he doesn't, then this one doesn't really matter. Can't afford to be 3-0 down against Aiphaton playing like that. Another massive rally. And it's Jonurkel coming out on top. 2-all. Just to stay in this game. Really needs to stay in this game. Aiphaton catches the edge, but anyways, returning these shots from Jonurkel is not easy at all, but Aiphaton makes it look so easy. Beautiful forehand. Perfect placement. Unreturnable for Jonurkel. Now Jonurkel answers with a really good 4. Massive 4. Loaded with speed. This time he sends one wide. He's still in the game. At 0-3, I don't think he's in the game anymore. Doesn't mean that he's playing bad, but I don't think he. And Aiphaton takes the 3-0 lead. Normally, I would say that I'm pretty sad. Whenever someone's playing as good as Jonurkel is in this match, I'm always wishing that they win at least one match, as they deserve it. But in this match, does he really deserve to win one match? Because Aiphaton is countering everything that he does. Anything that he does, Aiphaton is showing that he can do it better. I hope he's not out. I hope he's not out, but I think in this case, yeah, he can play much better, but it's Aiphaton just stopping him from playing as good as he can. Okay, Aiphaton, I think he's using the tactic win 3 matches, then rest for 2, and then win for 2. I think that is the tactic. Eight 0. Oh la 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 la. Such a smooth transition in. And such a fluid play from Jonurkel. He takes that game. Deserves it 100%. Sorry for doubting. He played a bit more aggressively in that first game of this match, but he has to keep it up. Exactly. You have to be a bit more aggressive. The loose balls for Aiphaton. What he wants. He can finish you off. Ay, that was a beautiful recovery, but that last loop, Aiphaton just changing the rhythm. Really smart at doing it. Wow, what a forehand. That is just world class. Holy moly, this is just insane. A really good serve from Aiphaton. Jonurkel was so used to long serves that he was not even ready. He was not prepared for that short serve, and now he follows the serve. Aiphaton 9-7. 2 serves. And now he has 3 game points. Ay. I think this game is a missed opportunity from Jonurkel. Holy shit. How can you do that to yourself? But he's still fighting. Didn't give up. That's what we want to see. Now he has a 3-1 lead. 2 serves of his own. And again, Aiphaton staying on top of that ball. Even less time to Jonurkel. And now the edge helping Aiphaton. He levels the score. Again, really good placement on that open up. It was not a strong shot, but the placement was really good. Really uncomfortable for Jonurkel. Ooh la 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 la. That was a really good forehand. That's exactly what he had to do, but that was too easy to read for Aiphaton, and he was in the right spot. Again. Oh. Okay. What? What is this? I think my eyes are broken. What was that backhand? I'm lost for words, guys. I'm lost for words. What can I say? Like, you don't have to say anything. I know, no, but that previous loop, it was such a smart play from Jonurkel. Such a shame that he didn't win this. He should have won that point. Now Aiphaton takes the 4-0 win.
What a game, Doc. What a game.
Crazy.
Crazy
Really-
rally is really good. It was a lot of fun.
Really fun.
Thank you very much. Ooh.